Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is very high paying. It does not require any kind of college degree, and it does provide the computer equipment for you. But real quickly, I just want to say if you are celebrating through the next few days, the holiday season, I want to wish you and your family a very happy and healthy holiday season and Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. But with that being said, the company Storyblocks, they are an online company that provides images, videos, stock photography, all the things to video makers, video editors, photographers, just any kind of person that is in a content creative field. Maybe someone designs advertisements and commercials, and they are hiring a senior people operations specialist. Now, they call their human resources people operations specialist. So this is in the human resources field. Now it is either in their office in Arlington, Virginia or remote, and we are concerned about the remote work from home. But you will be involved in key people operation functions such as compensation, payroll, and compliance. You'll support and execute people operational processes, performing management payroll review, benefits, benchmarking. You'll be responsible for the management of the HRIS system with onboarding and offboarding, hiring employees with their normal paperwork, their background check, all of those things. You'll be responsible for people analytics and insights, collaborating with members of the other people teams. You'll evaluate and analyze data matrix, and support reporting, audit, and data integrity. So you will just be doing all of the human resources functions: payroll, onboarding, benefits, paperwork, all of those things. They do not require any kind of degree. They are looking for someone who has 5 years experience in some kind of human resources or people operations. If you have a focus in HR functions like payroll, compensation, benefits, that is a plus. They want someone who can identify and drive process improvement efforts, someone who has the ability to add value and get things done with great high level of attention to detail, and someone who has high emotional and social intelligence. Great organizational skills are also needed. Now, if that is you, the salary for this position is anywhere from $85,000 to $100,000 a year. They offer all the standard benefits, including paid time off, a 401k, medical, dental, vision insurance. And if you scroll all the way down to where you can attach your resume, your LinkedIn profile, and fill out the application, it asks for your address. And it says, if hired, necessary equipment, your laptop, your monitor will be shipped to this address. So they do provide all the equipment for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please have a happy holiday season, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.